panel off of there, so I gotta just trying to think of the best way. I've got both of these are drained. Oh yeah, right there. Okay. All right. Okay, so I don't know, I guess I flip it up. Flip them up on their face maybe and undo that from the bottom. I don't know, I'll have to see. I guess I'll start on this one. Alright. So we got a bit of appliance wire. Wait, that one will undo. Oh crap. I guess I'll get a Band-Aid. Alright. Fixed. Oh, now I guess no, that's copper too. Steel. That's brass. I think that's all steel there. Yeah, that's not copper. No. And that can just stay in there, can't it? Now, let's just see. jeez. Here, let's get this up here. Okay. So, I can see that I've bent the things there. There's bolts here and there, but then I have no way to get on those bolts. I wonder if I just pry. I bet I could just get a big bar in there and pry that. I'll try that. Here, let me just set this up here. To there. Alright. Okay. Now, let's just see. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, so now I'll get that brass fitting. Well, that's steel there. That fan is not that important. That's, I believe, all steel. Yeah, that's not. I guess I could get a magnet. Okay. There's one. Yeah, oh sorry, I guess it is. So that's steel. Yeah, that's all steel in there. So shred, but this is brass. I'll get that one off. Cut that wire. Then I gotta get this off, so I guess I'm gonna have to get those rivets out of there. Or just bust that off, I guess. I do have the big wrecking bar, so yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. The rest of it's all shred, like all up in there. You can see it's all galvanized. But I got this. I don't even know what refrigerant was in that. 3. Oh, I'm leaking oil somewhere there. Anyways, I'll get that all cleaned up. I'll get that out of there. Oh, cool. Couple fans there. No. Snip. wire. Those fans are riveted in there. Well, it's gonna have to be good enough. I really don't even think that very light rod was worth taking out. Yeah, so the rest of this is all shred. I was gonna keep them, but yeah, what's the point? I don't really have anything I can do with them. And I just want to get them out of here, so yeah, I'll just scrap this one out next. And we'll call her good. That one looks like it's going to be the same thing, maybe even a bit harder. Oh, maybe that whole thing slides out. I don't know. I'm sure it doesn't. Let's see here. Yeah, I think it might. Oh, wait. Right on. That's good. There's some weird clips. See, back there holding the compressor in. But still, this is easier. I'll just cut all the lines and that should slip right out of there. Oh. Wait. Let's see if out. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's good. This is copper, unlike the other one, the steel. And then, oh, that's gross. That out. Oh. Anyhow, that's good. Now, this one over here. Get that off of there. That just makes it so much lighter. Okay. So it looks like I just got a few screws there. Nice. Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah, that's really good. There's a bit more wiring up in there. think it's worth. No, it's not worth tearing that apart. There's only a few. There's like just a couple of little wires there. But I'd have to tear that whole thing apart to get it out. I think this was the one that had the Seaga manufacturing serial number. Is there a model number on these? 134A. Okay, well that's good to know. Indoor use only. I wonder if this one is model number RR1400. It doesn't say what the refrigerant is in that. Oh yeah, bush dog. I got a kick out of your video yesterday. I can't remember where I got these, but they're not solid copper. I don't think mine is. I'll just check here. Oh, what did I do with my magnet? Oh, yeah, I stuck it to the top of that. Yeah, so that's steel. That's all steel. But yeah, I thought that was funny because you showed that one you had. And I have the little burner thing for it too. Oh, neat, look at that. She's probably been looking for that. Hi. Anyhow, all right, good enough.